Filipino-composed songs were among those featured in the yearly Sayawitan in Zambales province. The details from this report.
Filipinos are known to be music lovers. One of the reasons why the Philippine government aims at strengthening the music industry in the country. Because aside from the sports such as boxing and basketball and joining beauty pageants, it was singing that made Filipinos be known around the globe. In the annual Sayawitan in Zambales, contestants from different cities and municipalities of the province have shown how good they are at singing. Do you still remember the songs that became popular since the 80s? How about the popular songs in the modern times?
Mga nakaraan taon, nakikita natin na marami tayong mga talent na comparable sa mga ibang national at international actors. Sabi ko, subukan natin, magano tayo ng concert, tapos para makita natin yung kakayahan. At dahil nga dito, nakita naman natin na pwede tayo palang magkaroon ng show na maibibigay, maipapakita natin sa mga taga-ibang bayan.
More youths have grown a deep love for music and singing, making it a hobby instead of wasting their time getting drowned at bad vices. Of course, their studies will never be forgotten. They have used singing as a way to thank their parents for helping them to mold their talents. Guests and Zambales officials have also received flowers from the youths.
Dahil lang importante rito, maging busy yung mga kabataan natin sa mga ganyang bagay. At para makalimutan nila yung mga ganyang kalokohan. Sa mga bata, tingnan natin yung mga magulang natin, lalo na yung habang buhay pa sila. Paligayahin natin sila, pasayahin natin sila, dahil kung wala na sila, kahit anong gawin natin, hindi na nila makikita.
As a part of the Christmas celebration, Christmas songs were sang. The singing group AGs was also present in the said event. Zambales is one of the provinces which sets its sight in promoting songs which are 100% Pinoy. Officials believe this will be one of the reasons why tourists will choose to have a staycation in Zambales this year.
Meron tayong mga programa rito na kung saan ay maghanap din tayo ng mga infrastructure kung saan na pwede nating magamit para sa mga gitong kasayahan. Merong mga local performers na kumanta sa iba't ibang salita. Yung Sambali, Ilocano, Tagalog.